Apart from the years of experience that a senior engineer has, there are other qualities that set apart a senior engineer from a mid-level engineer. So I wanted to be able to embody those qualities.
I saw the opportunity to meet with senior developers and get mentorship with them.
The promise of the scaling up from a middle-level developer to a senior one. Basically, it's hard. People get stuck in middle-level role for like 3-4 years. But I get to learn so many stuff within the range of 6 months and scale to the level of a senior developer.
The program has helped me to think better, to think like a senior developer.
From communication to office and personal effectiveness, getting to collaborate with teammates.
So one of the things we learned in the pipeline program in terms of technical skills was about event-driven design and how event sourcing can be used as a source of truth, and how a CQRS architecture, that's a command and query responsibility segregation architecture, can be used to make that process a lot easier.
The best thing I've learned from the program so far is how to be able to sync the goals of a business with your skills as a software engineer. So a lot of times it's not always about the code that you can write. You need to be able to embody the solutions that the business is trying to offer.
So a typical day in the pipeline program, it sort of goes like this.
I have to meet with mentors, I have technical writing, then I have to work on my personal projects.
You have learning modules on the learning paths on educative.io platform, right? These are predetermined depending on what path you're taking.
Public speaking sessions and different recruiting sessions.
Typically, it's just about managing your time and how you want to achieve all of that, even with data structures and algorithms.
Working with the mentors is it's challenging, it's awesome, it's great, it's everything just mixed together.
These are people who have experienced what I'm currently experiencing.
They give you this guidance, not necessarily forcing their own ways of solving problems, but like a discussion on why your approach is a certain way as opposed to doing it differently.
The effort they put into teachers, the effort they put into directors, it inspires me.
What I initially wanted was to meet with senior engineers, but now I've also been exposed to data structures and algorithms and different concepts that I did not expect to be there, to have been exposed to, rather.
I've understood a lot about how system works, how to design system in depth, how to design a resilient system.
Fireside chats we get with CTOs of different companies, usually the most fun part for me.
Definitely, I will recommend the program to anyone who meets the requirement and is willing to accelerate the time it takes to become a domain expert or a global talent.
If you're listening to my voice right now, I assure you that this is the best experience ever.